This UBC Library tutorial introduces how to search for books and media using the library catalog. You can use the navigation buttons at the bottom of the media player to stop or pause at any time. We begin at the library homepage, which you'll find at www.library.ubc.ca. One of the first things that you'll notice is the General Search tab, also called Summon. Summon searches for books and media, but also includes journal articles, online theses and dissertations, items in external repositories like Project Gutenberg, and much more. To learn more about Summon, check out our Using Summon link in the Research Help portal under Finding Resources. Right next to the General tab, you'll see Books and Media. Click this tab to search in the catalog. Unlike Summon, the catalog only searches items in the library's collection. And while you can find ebooks here, almost everything else that you'll find is a tangible item that you can hold in your hands, such as print books, government reports, newspapers, CDs and DVDs, maps, musical scores, and microforms. If you need to find one of these types of materials, searching the catalog is the fastest and easiest way to locate it. Let's try a simple search. You can use keywords, title words, or author names. For example, let's try Margaret Atwood's book, Oryx and Crake. Note: you can just type the title in if it's not too common, and it will appear at the top of the results list. If you're looking for something with common words in the title, though, like Modern Economic Development, you'll get a lot more results. Try adding the author name in to narrow in on exactly what you want. And here you go. One last tip. If you're looking for a title which begins with the words a, an, or the in any language, do not include them in your title search. So type Tree Grows in Brooklyn and leave the initial a off. In this tutorial, we've explored some features of the library catalog. If you're interested in learning about the catalog's advanced search features and how to read a catalog record, check out our other tutorial, Advanced Searching in the UBC Library Catalog. You'll find it and many other tutorials about the library at UBC's YouTube channel in the library's Teaching and Learning playlist. For one-on-one help from a librarian, or to locate a reference desk, click the Ask an Expert link.